What's up guys, Shehbaz here. So Huawei P50 smartphone's release date has changed and will be the most exclusive flagship of the company. Not everyone can buy it. P50 primer postponed again. The sanctions imposed by the US administration on Huawei have done their job. The company has completely depleted the reserves of single-chip Kirin systems. So, it was not possible to count on large volumes of Huawei P50 smartphones. But, according to new data, this volume will be very scanty. And today, we are going to discuss this in detail. Please watch the full video content. Reportedly, a total of 1 million P50 smartphones will be released. Very little. Based on this, one cannot even expect that the new flagships will be sold outside of China. Domestic demand will quickly absorb all this volume and will not even look at the absence of Google's services. It is also noted that although formally there will be 3 models in the lineup, 1 or 2 will actually go on sale in stores, the most exclusive based on the scanty volume of production. Huawei flagship will appear in August and its premiere will take place in July. According to rumors, the announcement of Huawei P50 was supposed to take place first in March, then it was said about May and a possible postponement to June. And now the new items are generally postponed until July. At the same time, it is unshakable that all models of the Huawei P50 line will run Harmony OS operating system. The same operating system will be used in the flagship tablet MatePad Pro 2, which also actively preparing for release. Moreover, Huawei wants to spread the dates of their primer. Apparently, the MatePad Pro 2 will debut in June and will go on sale before the Huawei P50 line. As for the May announcements, they will still take place, but without the Huawei P50 and MatePad Pro 2. So, next month, the premiere of the new FreeBuds for wireless headphones is expected. New devices in the PC category. That is, we are waiting for laptops and possibly desktops, as well as new smartwatches including for children. On the other hand, Huawei P50 and Huawei P50 Pro design confirmed. Live photos of covers published. Real photos confirm the renders were accurate. However, they will still do not contain images of the smartphones themselves, so the number and location of the image sensors continue to be a mystery. Earlier it was reported that the Huawei P50 series will be equipped with an exclusive SONY IMX800 image sensor, the optical format of which will be close to 1 inch. The flagship model Huawei P50 Pro Plus will receive a liquid lens, which will provide the highest focusing speed. The design of the bezel should also change. The bezels of the screen will become even smaller and the front camera will move to the center of the display. The Huawei P50, P50 Pro and P50 Pro Plus are expected to be powered by the Kirin 9000L, Kirin 9000E and Kirin 9000 SoCs respectively. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care yourself very well. Peace out.